Welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here. We are making our 12 days of cookies. We are on day 9. I can't believe it. We are so close to finishing up these cookies. This is great. Today we are going to do peanut butter blossoms. So I'm sure you all have seen them. It's the peanut butter cookie with the Hershey Kiss on top. They're like a thumbprint cookie, kind of like the lemon curd cookies we did a little bit earlier. But these are super fun cookies. I love peanut butter cookies, as you guys have heard before from one of my other videos, but these are super awesome. We're going to quickly whip these together. Thank you so much for being here. If you don't mind, please subscribe down below and smash that like button, and let's get cooking these peanut butter blossom cookies. We are starting out with creamy peanut butter, and we're going to get this into a bowl. And the next ingredient we're going to put in here is butter. All of the ingredients listed below are for 3 dozen cookies. I am halving this recipe, so if you're looking at this thinking she's not putting enough in, I'm just doing half a recipe. So in went our peanut butter, sugar, brown sugar, a little bit of salt, some vanilla, and an egg. We're going to blend this all together till it gets super, super creamy. And it looks so delicious, I would eat it by the spoonful. Now we're going to add a little flour and a little baking soda. Get this all mixed together. Make sure you scrape down the side so you have all the goodness there. In a little dish, I am going to put about a tablespoon. It doesn't really matter how much you put here, just a little bit of sugar that we're going to roll these balls in. We're going to take our dough. It's really easy to work with. It's not super sticky. We're going to roll this into about 1-inch balls, roll it in the sugar, and place it on a prepared baking sheet. You can use parchment paper, a baking mat, or if your cookie sheet is prepared, you can do that. These look so gorgeous with the crystallized sugar on top. And we're going to pop them in the oven at 375 degrees for just 8 minutes. Unwrap your Hershey Kisses. As soon as these come out of the oven and those crinkles are what you're looking for, you're going to lightly press a Hershey Kiss in each cookie, and voila, these are all done. My, oh my, these are so good. I wish you guys could taste these right here. I wish I could hand one out to you, because this cookie, I haven't been able to stop eating. So as much as you think this is my first bite, it's not at all. I've had quite a few of these. They are so super good. So let's give it a taste. Actually, I'm going to show you. I'm going to break him up on camera. You can see how he's nice and soft. They are really peanut buttery, but not in a bad way. They're really soft, really moist, that little sugar crunch on the outside. You can't go wrong with a Hershey Kiss. But these are fabulous. Thank you guys so much for being here. All of the information is down below like normal. I will see you tomorrow, where we will be bringing our 10th cookie to you. Thank you guys.